I got my own private beach. I'm gonna need some money. Hey, good day everyone, it's Mike from Finding Fish. Welcome to Samui, welcome to Lamai, and welcome to Finding Fish. Today in this video, we're going to be exploring my resort and Lamai area, and I'm going to show you everything that this place has to offer. Stay with me. It might be really interesting if I survive. You can also see if renting a scooter is for you, because trust me, it's not for everyone. You have to be a little crazy to do this. I think I got that box ticked. Now, I'm not kidding you when I have to say that it's busy on the streets and there's scooters everywhere and you don't want to lose your scooter. I'm serious. Oh, and one last tip, make sure you park it in the shade because it gets extremely hot and then you got to sit on that seat when you got to go home, and that's not a good idea. Thank you. Got my money. Let's go shopping for a few minutes. Oh, I'm dying for chicken wings. For the cabin. That might be nice. Do the chicken wings in those. I need a deodorant. Now, the reason I came to the Lotus is because there's a bank in there and there's a money exchange and they offer really good rates. There's also a lot of places you can come here and get money exchange, but that seems to be the best. And they have a couple of bank machines there and they actually have a bank. The reason I need money is because I upgraded my room and I don't know how much that's gonna cost. I'm getting laundry done and I think it's about 80 baht per kilo. But they don't tell you the price until it's washed, so I don't know how much that's gonna cost. I need to go find a place to get a haircut for the end of the week because I'm moving on to another place and I'm gonna need money for the ferry. I'm also gonna need money for my scooter because I'm actually staying longer here now because I actually like Lamai, so I'm gonna be staying here for an extra 3 days. So I need to pay for the room. I also just need money so we can go to the 7-Eleven, grab some things, and we'll go to the Lamai market and grab a few things. Life is good. Let's keep going. Oh, it is hot out. So for 150 baht, I'm coming back to get a haircut on Thursday. That's not bad. It's 150 baht for a haircut. That's less than $6. That's a good deal. Let's find the 7-Eleven. Oh boy. 7-Eleven's done. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's keep going. That's over $6. That's $6.20 Canadian. That's not a bad deal. Let's go find the market. That looks cool. Oh, a burger shop. Oh, cheeseburgers, $1.99. Oh, I'm going there. Now, if you're looking for some cheap eats, you're coming here. It's called the Lamai Fresh Food Market. I came here for dinner last night. Like, you can come in here and eat for $3, $3.50, $4 Canadian. Hi. How much? 10 baht each? It's a deal. 10 baht for that. I'm definitely getting those tonight. Thank you. $10 club soda, and it's amazing. We're definitely getting one of those for 10 baht. Olive one, please. Everything there is 10 baht each. And their spring rolls here are really good. Okay, I'm dying to try this chicken wing. Spicy and crunchy. This one's my favorite. I don't even eat them at home, but so good. That looks so good. Anything you want, you can find it here. Anyway, that's the market. I could be in here all day, but let's keep going. Because I don't want to get killed. All that for 120 baht. That's a good deal. Feels like there's no rules there. Anyway, let's go check out my room. See if my laundry's done too. Oh, 2.3 kilos. Okay, how much is that? 200 baht. My laundry's done. Oh yeah, they smell good. And my whites are pretty white. Go to my room and let's have a beer. Well, that's my room. Cozy, charming, rustic, and right on the beach. And that isn't my own private beach. It's for everyone to access and use, but it's right directly in front of my little cottage here. And yeah, it's charming. The cottage is a little old. My bed was firm last night. I like a more comfortable bed. In my smaller room, my bed was fantastic. I love that mattress. Now let's go check out the beach. Literally a 20-second walk and I'm at the beach. And my room, as you can see, it's covered with all the foliage, all those trees, so I get protected from the sun and from the heat, and I get a great breeze and I can just hear the waves. The weather's perfect today. It's probably 33 degrees, a nice light breeze, and not much humidity. If you're down at the ocean, it's perfect. It's a great way to spend the day and chill out. I'm gonna wait for the tide to go out, and then we're gonna go for a walk. And I'm gonna show you some really interesting rocks. It's just great walking here because you can walk for a long way. Anyway, let's chill. You can walk for hours out here, and the tide goes out so far that it's amazing. And then there's people at nighttime here. I can see them with their flashlights looking for stuff way out in the water, like I'm talking way out, and that's so cool. I love it here. I found my home away from home. I honestly did on Samui, and I'm gonna do some more exploring. Tomorrow I'm taking the day off and I'm going south. I was in the mountains today earlier. I didn't bring you with me because I didn't have a camera, and that was just incredible. It was so cool. But check out my neighbors. They invited me over for cocktails tonight. I told them I was busy. absolutely stunning. And as the tide goes out, you can just keep going forever. And if you want to pull into a restaurant and have something to eat, you can, because there's restaurants dotted along the way, either direction. And I've heard there's a couple of high-end hotels down here. You can go in for breakfast. It's really, really good. Yeah, it's American priced, but you get what you pay for sometimes. Your location's everything. The sun's just starting to go down. Love it. Anyway, the bill for my room per night works out to about 1,500 baht. It's about 56, 57 Canadian dollars. Actually, great value for money. Anyway, sun's going down. I'm going to chill out and watch it go. I want to say a special thanks to my wife Jenny and my kids for letting me go on this crazy adventure and be away from home for 30 days. To work on my YouTube channel and just to be free. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, maybe you could help me out and do so. Like, share my channel, subscribe, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video.